What's up, everybody? Quantevo here, and today we're diving into the future of e-commerce. AI Shopify builders that make launching your business a breeze. Want to build a Shopify store in under 10 minutes, no coding required? In 2025, AI is making it possible. I'll show you 5 AI website builders that can launch your store while you sip your coffee. Like, subscribe, and drop AI Shopify in the comments if you want more tools like this. First up, Shopify Magic, the AI tool built right into Shopify. Don't let built-in fool you. Shopify Magic is like having a team of marketing pros working for you 24/7. It writes product descriptions that convert, crafts email campaigns, and even generates SEO-optimized blog posts. Need the perfect product image? Shopify Magic suggests those too. Remember, it's your co-pilot, not your autopilot. You're still in control. With Shopify Magic, you'll navigate e-commerce like a pro. Next, Durable.co, the speed demon of AI Shopify builders. It can build a fully functional Shopify store in just 30 seconds. Seriously. Durable.co isn't native to Shopify, but integrates seamlessly for fast, efficient store creation. Perfect for anyone who values speed. Go from idea to launch in a blink. With Durable.co, your store can be live before you finish your morning coffee. Meet 10web.io. Imagine if ChatGPT and WordPress had a baby raised by coding ninjas. It's all drag-and-drop simplicity with AI-powered text and image generation. No tech skills needed, just drag, drop, and watch your vision come alive. 10web.io ensures your site looks amazing on any device. Build a stunning, mobile-optimized store with ease. Introducing Bookmark AIDA, your new AI design assistant for Shopify. AIDA personalizes your store, creating designs that perfectly match your brand. No experience needed, just answer a few questions and let AIDA do the rest. It's free to start, so you can build your dream store without spending a dime. Upgrade for advanced features, but the free plan is plenty to get going. Bookmark AIDA makes professional design accessible to everyone. Last up, Unbounce Smart Builder, the king of landing pages. It's not a full store builder, but it creates high-converting landing pages that integrate with Shopify. Use Zapier to connect Unbounce and Shopify for seamless sales funnels. If you want to boost conversions, this tool is a must-have. Don't miss out on Unbounce Smart Builder for your e-commerce toolkit. That's it, 5 AI Shopify builders crushing it in 2025. No excuses, build your dream store today. Want a full tutorial? Drop a fire emoji in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.